With great pride and excitement, I welcome you all to the grand finale of FSC Cricket League Season 8. I kindly request both the teams to introduce yourself.
Sir,
Ajish.
Murad Ali.
Izar.
Arshad,
Tiaz Ali.
Shabir, Shanu,
He is the captain. Now our umpires for the match.
Ajay.
Wahab.
Now SEC captain.
Kanan Parameshwaran.
Shadik,
Selva. Partha.
Ramakrishnan,
Samuel. Subhas.
Karthik.
Jairam, Michael,
Ansari.
Subhas.
Now I call upon the both team captains, Kannan and Shanu, to come forward along with the match umpires to do the toss. Spark 11 have won the toss and they have chose bowling.
FFC Cricket League Season 8 plays the call from umpire. Ashfir will be bowling from the power end. Here goes Ashfir for the first time. FFC final first ball down the leg side. It's a wide. Umpire says it's a wide. So starts up with the wide extras. One from the tree end again. Nice ball. Is it allowed appeal? Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. It's given. Golden duck for the batsman. First wicket down for SSC. Captain himself, who will be leading the way to the ground. Let's see. He'll be taking responsibility on his shoulders. He's Ashfir right arm over the wicket. Nice delivery. Cut down to the gully area. The fielder comes and field. But till then, the batsman completed an easy single with this. Ashfir again. Right hand over the wicket. Short up length delivery. Cut down over the point area. The fielder is going behind, but he cannot cut off. It's a very welcome boundary to SSC Cricket. Nice shot by Subhash. Subhash opened his account with the boundary to Subhash. This time again, right hand over the wicket. He went. Nice delivery. Yorker length delivery for a wicket. Ashfir again. Full toss delivery, low full toss, played it to the covers area, but there is fielder, no run, no damage done. Again a dot delivery. Here again. Down the leg side, full toss, he flicked, completed a single. There a fielder on the fine leg, cut it off, and till then the batsman completed two easily runs with. Second bowler is Azhar. Azhar for the first time. Slow run up. Oh, nicely balled on the legs, but tried to flick, but there's no contact of the bat. Slowly crossed umpire. Shot of limb delivery, cut through the gully into the gap, and it will be a 4. Yes, it's a boundary. As soon as Azhar ball shot up length, and Kannan saw this short ball and cut through the gully and the point. Azhar again. Shot of delivery. Nice delivery. Tries to cut it off, but there's no contact between bat and ball. For a dot delivery again. Azhar in his next delivery. Nice delivery again. Tries to pull down the leg. Loud appeal, but the umpire is unmoved. Azhar in his next delivery. Nice delivery. Played to the point area. No run again. Azhar again. Shot of delivery. Cut to the point and gully area. And till then the fielder goes and field. And the batsman completed two easily runs. Ashfir, right hand over the wicket. Ashfir moves it down the wicket. Oh, nicely balled. Nicely played through flick. Through the mid-on, long-on area. Completed a single easily. Delivery, and he launches onto it, and with a good delivery, we'll just respect it and play through. The nicely played again by Kannan with the soft hands for a single. Nicely ball. Tried to long. Left over the long on area. Couldn't get the meat part of the bat. 3 singles of his 3 deliveries in this over. Good shot. Catches in the call. Will it be taken? And yes. No, it's a drop. It's a well tried. Kannan. He's bowling. He's batting very nicely. Full toss ball played to the long on area for a single. A sphere again. Full toss ball, low full toss again played to the long on area. Long on comes and cuts up. It's end of the over for a single again. Subhash again, low full toss down the leg side, played to the fine leg area, square leg area for a single. Azhar again. He'll be bowling to Kannan. Kannan, who is the captain of his team, taking responsibility. Nicely bowled, very well, but slow delivery. Kannan couldn't do anything. Azhar again. Short of length ball. And umpire says it's a wide. 23. Oh, it was an edge. Keeper missed it completely. The fast delivery. Azhar again. Nicely slow delivery again. A missed catch. Oh, what's going on? Keeper has missed another one. Azhar again for the last time in this over. Nicely bowled. Played to long off area for a single for a no man's land. It's a single again. And good delivery. Very good delivery. Tried to hit it over the mid long on area but couldn't succeed. End of the over is successful. Very good over. A sphere again. Nicely bowled. Loud appeal. Loud appeal. Umpire. Loud appeal. Umpire is unmoved. A sphere again. Right hand over the wicket. To Kannan. Nicely played. But there's a fielder out there in the third main area. Just cut off for the single. A sphere again. This time to Subhash. Subhash manages to play over the leg with a beautiful shot. What a shot. As soon as he saw the over-pitch delivery, he launches it over the long off area for a wonderful 6. A sphere again. Good shot and he plays with the follow through. It's a missed catch, I would say. It's a drop catch. Because Subhash, he's a good batsman. A sphere again. Short delivery played very brilliantly to the covers area for a boundary. What a shot it is. Played it with full power. As soon as he just bit a shot of delivery, he launches into it. And what a shot. A sphere again. Full toss delivery. Played through the fine leg area. The misfield over there. Oh, again, but he cuts off very nicely. And the batsman completed 2 runs. Shanu, who will be bowling from the bungalow end to Kannan. Captain to captain. No ball. Umpire called it's a no delivery. It was a very good delivery, but unfortunately it was an extra delivery. No delivery. Umpire called it a no with this extra 36. Nicely bowled. Kannan very nicely bowled. He's bowling very nice. Shanu again. Right arm round the wicket. Short of length delivery. Shanu again. He'll be bowling from the bungalow end. Nicely bowled again. Nicely bowling by Shanu. Kannan responsibly should take a singles and give it to Subhash, I would say. This time, cleverly, he listens to me and gets a single. That's the way he should play because Subhash is the main character who is batting brilliantly for his team. Now, Subhash, now first time to Shanu. Oh, it's an edge, but lucky Subhash, but it's went to the no man's land. And brilliantly on 22. Good ball, loud appeal, loud appeal, loud appeal. Oh, and not out says umpire. Now there is one more new bowler, and the bowler is Ajish. Ajish will be bowling his first over. Clean bowled. Ajish again. He will be bowling to the fresh batsman Jairam. Ajish, left hand over the wicket, full toss delivery, played it through the mid-off area. As soon as the fielder comes and fields a sphere, the batsman completed a single. Everything is coming out what you're talking in live, so please little bit. Again a single, this time by Subhash. And Ajish is a very good action, left hand over the wicket, full toss delivery, flick to the short fine leg area. The fielder comes in but couldn't hold on the ball, and hence the fielder completes a risky cheeky single. With Ajish again, low full toss. Subhash played it very nicely to the mid wicket area. It's completed a single and will get only a single. Ajish again, nicely played with soft hands. As soon as the fine leg comes, the batsmen are going for a second and complete a second. Very nice running between the wickets. Arshad for the first time to Subhash. Arshad came. Short of line delivery. Nice delivery. Umpire calls it's a wide delivery. Arshad again this time. Good shot. High in the air. High in the air. Will it be taken? The captain is under it. Oh, and it's a drop again. Arshad again, he will bowling to Jairam. Jairam tried to shuffle, played a very good shot. Very good shot to the long off area for a boundary. Excellent shot from Jairam. As soon as he saw full toss delivery, launches into play. Bit fine, I beg your pardon. Again a reverse, he tried to reverse a nice delivery, slow to Jairam. Shuffles down, played it nicely. There's a fielder but couldn't cut it off. Played to the covers area for a single. Right hand over the wicket. Oh, nicely bowled. Block call delivery. Last time in this over. He's bowling to Subhash. Nicely bowled again. Dug it out. Played it to the short covers area just for a single. Ajish again. Ajish was a successful bowler. He bowled over and he took a wicket in his first over. He will be bowling his second over. Halfway mark, 57. He's played to the fine leg area, catches the call, but there's no man there. The batsman completed a easy single with this. Ajish to Jairam. Nicely bowled, low full toss, played it to the long on area. There's a misfield there. Umpire might have a look. Umpire might have a look. Ajish is bowling nicely. He's bowling pacey deliveries. Nice left arm action. Good shot by Jairam. Played to the square leg area for a single. Good shot. Beautifully shot. Wow. As soon as he sees an over-pitch delivery, he launches himself onto that and played a very good shot to the fine leg area for a wonderful six. 67. Ajish again. Over-pitch delivery, played to the bowler. It hit into the stumps, but batsman completed a single again. That's a proper cricket. Full toss, ball played straight away. What a shot it was. Wonderful shot by Jairam. Just punch over the head of the bowler for a wonderful six. Beautiful shot by Jairam, you see. Captain Shanu has confidence in Azhar and he has told Azhar, just give me a wicket from here. Nicely bowled over pitch delivery, played Shanu over the mid-wicket area. There's a nice fielding, but fielder couldn't. Subhash. Wow, what a shot it is. Slow delivery. launches over the mid-wicket area for a wonderful six. High and handsome. I told you Subhash is a great batsman. As soon as he sees the loser deliveries, he launches into it. Now he changes his angle. Round the wicket he goes to Subhash. Nicely delivery outside the off stump. This is a smart bowling by Azhar. Nicely bowled again. Play to the long off area. The captain himself. Fieldless. Fumbles, but just a single again. With this time to Jairam. Jairam also is batting brilliantly. High in the air, handsome it is. Catches the call, but and the fielder touches the ropes. Already conceded 17 runs. Last ball to go. Tried to reverse it. Taken outer edge. 92 after 10 overs. Arshad this time. Second time in his over. Full toss delivery, large over the long-on area for a beautiful six. Wonderful batting display by Jairam. He's being an asset for his team. Arshad again, this time. Good shot again, played in the air, but this time the fielder underneath it. And he completes an easy catch. Shoaib Malik, the Kokani guy from Murud. Nice shot, pull Karthik straight away to the fine leg area just for a single. He has to go hard. Arshad again, this time to nicely bowled. And a single. Over pitch delivery this time. Played to the covers area. There's a fielder there. Misfielded, fumbles, but again he come back strongly and it's 100 for SSC. Arshad this time to Karthik. Good delivery there. Subhash, who is on 46. Good shot it is. What a shot. Played over the long off area for a wonderful six. This brings 50 for Subhash. Round of applause from his team. 52 of just 30 deliveries. Wonderful batting display. This is the fourth six he has hit Subhash. Good batting display. What a knock it is into the finals. Ajish again this time. Nicely bowled. Nicely bowled. Very well bowled. Ajish again this time. Nicely bowled. Nicely played. It's a helicopter shot played by Subhash. And he's out. Wonderful off-cutter delivery from Ajiz. Ajiz again this time is a successful Ajiz. Second 2 wickets for Ajiz. Nicely bowled. There's a chance of run out there. Ajiz again this time cutting. Nicely played. What a wonderful handsome shot. What a handsome shot. Just a flick of the wrist, man. What a shot it is. Wonderful shot. As soon the Ajiz was trying to block him up, but missed the line. It was an over-pitch delivery, and what a shot he played. I mean, managed to take in a wicket. Arshad this time to Subhash. Oh, nicely bowled. Tried to hit it. Completed a single. Michael is on 6. Good delivery. Arshad again. This time to Michael. Clean bowled. What a delivery. Right up into the black hole. Batsman unmoved. Can do nothing. But just leave the ball to go onto the stumps. And here's the 5th wicket down for SSC. What a delivery it is. Samuel this time. First time to will be facing Arshad. Short of length delivery. Played to the point area. The fielder comes. Throws to the keeper. He has came opener. And still now is batting brilliantly. Nicely batted. Played to the long on area. I beg your pardon, mid-wicket area for a single. Arshad bowling very nicely. Smartly bowling by Arshad. Last time in this over. Tries to reverse sweep. And yes, he successfully manages to play this reverse sweep between the point and the slip area for wonderful 4. Wonderful boundary. 120 the score after completion of 13 overs. To a sphere. Full toss delivery, but couldn't make good use of it. After facing two deliveries, Asfir again, this time. Nicely bowled. Low full toss, flicked it to the fine leg area, short fine leg area for a single on the board. Asfir. Nice delivery outside the off stump, played it to the long on area just for a single again. It's Asfir again this time. Oh, what a shot! It has played scoop. What a shot it was. It's an innovative shot, played a very beautiful scoop for a boundary. Nicely bit of batting by Samuel. He moved up to 10 with it again this time. Again a reverse sweep. What a shot it is. Wonderful batting display. Wonderful batting display. Reverse shot for a boundary again. Consecutive boundaries. 131 the score is. Asfir this time again, last time in this over, full toss delivery. He tries to play to the fine leg area. Fielder. They're going for a second. Completely second. Very good running between the wickets. This time to Subhash. Good shot. It is bullet. It is. And it was a catch. Oh. Score moves 134. Good shot. Short of limb delivery played over the point over area. The fielder comes. Oh, sloppy work. Sloppy work by the fielder. It was easy fielding there to field. It's a sloppy work. He tried to use his legs, but couldn't manage to stop the ball. And he'll bowling to Samuel. Full toss delivery played to the covers area. Sweeper comes in. He completes a single. They have run for a second. There's a throw. But the throw is a wide. And then the batsman completed 2 runs easily. He kept it down. Paid it to the long on area just for a single. Clean bowled. Clean bowled. It was a full toss delivery. But Subhash missed it completely. He tried to play the shot. Silva Kumar will be facing Shanu this time. Second time in this innings. Good shot. What a shot it is. Wonderful shot for a 6. Silva Kumar showing his intentions and doing the right thing in the slog overs. What a shot it is. Shanu this time again, second time in his over. It's an out. Tried to again play a same shot, but Shanu was smart enough. Wicket down, 7th wicket down. Right hand over the wicket, will be bowling to Parthasanu. Short delivery, played it to the bowler, but the fumble, the bowler completes a single. They're going for a second and they'll complete the second. Shanu this time. Good shot, very good shot, played to the long on area. There's a fielder there, but he just managed to hold on, but then batsman completed 2 runs easily. They're asking for the third. They're asking for the third. Will it be a chance of run out? And yes, run out. What a shot it was, an easy catch. Oh my God, it's a drop. Last ball to go of this innings. How it's gonna be? Shanu this time round the wicket to Sadiq. Sadiq played it to the deep fine leg area for a single. They completed. They're going for a second run and they completed it easily. 11 to win this game. Let's see. No single. On 2. I beg your pardon. And Kaisar Imtiaz will be facing for Bharadhan. Bharadhan, right arm round the wicket. Nice bit of bowling. Good shot, asking for 2. And he slips down. He'll manage it just for a single. The new batter will be facing first time for the Bharadhan. Nicely bowled, nicely played for no run. Nicely bowled, very nicely bowled. Just tapped down there, but for no run again. Round the wicket to the new batter. Nicely bowled. He played to the leg side area. There's no fielder out there. The bowler himself pushes hard, but the mid-wicket fielder comes in, fields and throws, and this time to Imtiaz. Bharathan right hand round the wicket. Nicely bowled, played over the head of the bowler. There's a fielder long on, comes and cut it off just for a single again. Bharathan again this time. Good shot. Very nice shot by Kaiser. Played it fine to the fine leg area. Very good shot for a boundary. With this boundary, the score moves up to 7. Nice bit of shot by Kaiser. Jairam first time in this over. Good ball. Trying to yoke him up. Batsman played it to the short mid-wicket area just for a single. This time, Kaiser. Nicely bowled and played nicely, but there's a fielder there, a short third man. Jairam again this time. Oh, tries to reverse shot, but then missed it completely. This time Jairam again. Nicely bowled, played with a soft hand, but there's a fielder there. Samuels comes out for no loss. Jairam this time again to Kaiser. Nicely plays with the soft hands again. There's a fielder out there. This time, last time in this over. He tries to play squarer. No run, no harm done. Again a dot delivery. Bharathan to Imtiaz. Good shot by Imtiaz. What a shot. But what a catch it is. On the boundary line. What a catch by Michael. Wonderful shot. It was played into the gaps. Almost it went for a 6, but Michael was very quick to Imran. Full toss delivery, played it very nicely to the covers area in the gap, but the fielder comes in the field. Bardhawan this time. What a shot it is played again. Kaiser to the fine leg area. The fielder comes in. Nice bit of fielding out there by the fielder of the. Nicely bit of bowling there. Short of length delivery. Couldn't do anything. Just pushed to the short covers area for no run again. Bardhawan again. Clean bowled. He was doing the same mistake again and again and again. He is trying to play just through the fine leg area, but bowler was smart enough. Bardhawan first time. Arshad will be facing Bardhawan. Bardhawan again. Nicely bowled on the legs, but there is a fine leg there. He flicked to the short fine leg area for no run. Jairam again this time round the wicket too. He tried to loft it over the mid wicket area. Couldn't hold it completely. Full toss delivery played. Very nice and a handsome shot for a boundary. Jairam this time again. Nicely played, Imran. What a wonderful shot. Classy shot. It was into the gaps. But the fielder from long off area was quick enough. Nicely played with soft hands into the gap. Third man comes in. Short third man comes in field. Jairam this time to Arshad. Good shot it is. Played over the covers area. And it will be a boundary. Wonderful shot. Played smart enough. Just chipped it over the infield for a wonderful boundary over the covers area. Bardhawan right hand, round the wicket. Nicely bowled. Just tapped it to the bowler again for no run. Time, right hand round the wicket. And it's gone. It's gone. Wow, what a bowling by Bardhawan. Is hitting the right areas. Good length delivery. This try was trying to hit over the mid-wicket area, but completely. Bardhawan again, this time to Murad. Murad. Oh, respected. So resumes the play again. Oh, nicely bit bowling by Bardhawan again. Just played it to the bowler again. Dot delivery again. Oh, try to hit over the long on area. Completely missed the ball. And it's gone. And it's gone. He's been rewarded for the very good bowling he has bowled. He is hitting the right areas. What a delivery it was. It was going way to the way out of the batsman. Full toss delivery played to the covers area. There is a sweeper there. He managed to field just for a single. Parthasarathy will be bowling to Shanu. Shanu for the first time. What a shot it is! Showing his intention straight away, Shanu. He has welcomed Parthasarathy for a wonderful six. Responsibility of the captain. Nicely played and it's a misfield out there. Third man comes in, but then he'll not cut it off. Parthasarathy. Nicely bowled, tapped it down. Keeper and the bowler comes into field and this time a dot delivery, Parthasarathy. Full toss delivery, played to the long on area for a single. The fielder comes in, cuts off and throws. But Parthasarathy again, this time to Azhar. Oh, nicely bowled. It was outside the off stump. Batsman tried to hit over the covers area but missed it completely. Hence it was a dot ball. 38 for loss of 4 wickets after completion of 6 overs. Bharadhan, who has managed to take 4 wickets. Nicely bowled. He played to the square leg area just for a single. Already managed to take 4 wickets. Good shot by. What a good shot by Azhar for a 6. Bharadhan again, this time to Azhar. Again a beautiful shot. What a fielding. What a fielding. What a fielding. Pumped up. In the air, and it's gone. 5 wicket all for Bardhawan. Captain goes. Wow, wow, wow. What a bowling it was. 5 wickets all for Bardhawan. SCC are going hard. Nice bit of bowling there on the leg side. There's a chance of run out. Oh. Good bowling. Loud appeal and it's given. 6th wicket for Bardhawan. What a bowling it is. What a quota he has finished. Top of the series, man. He has managed to take 24 wickets in this tournament. 6 wickets in this match. What a bowling. 49 for 6 wickets. Full toss ball. And played to the keeper area. And it's a 4 runs. Batsman is asking for the no ball. But umpire is unmoved. Again to Salman. Short of length delivery. Tries to pull to the fine leg area. There is no fielder there. But a very good fielding there. From the mid wicket area, ran to the fine leg area and stopped the ball to 3 runs. And he's gone. He's gone. His bat is in the air. His bat is in the air. So it's been declared 3 runs by the umpire. And Parthasarathy again, this time. High in the air. And it's gone. It's gone. So the discussion went into the wane and it's 7 down. The new batter is Ajish. Good delivery onto the stumps. Played it nicely though. Parthaswamy. Nicely bowled again. Nicely fielded there by Samuel. Parthaswamy again. Good Yorker and delivery. Nicely bowled by Parthaswamy. End of the over. Salman is the new batter. And who will be the bowler is Subhash. Subhash, first time. Block him up. Nicely bowled. Wonderfully bowled. Subhash again. Nicely bowled again. Again the Yorker and delivery on the stump. Full toss delivery high in the air. Will it be taken? Will it be not? Will it be taken? Will it be not? And yes, it is taken. Yes, it is taken. Long on area. The fielder doesn't do any mistake. Caught it completely comfortably. And here's 8 wicket down for Spark 11. Subhash again. Nicely bowled. Very nicely bowled. Subhash again. This time to Asfir. Nicely bowled. Very well bowled. Yorker delivery again. Good ball again. Again a Yorker length. 6 deliveries. Yorker length on the trot. Subhash. Jairam again. This time to Ajish. Shot of length delivery. And it's a big appeal. And it's gone. Caught behind. Yes. There was a noise. Certainly. Certainly there was a noise. And yes, it's a 9th wicket down to Spark 11. Jairam again. Again a short delivery. This time the batter played it nicely to the point area. By the time they completed a single. Jairam again. Short delivery again. Played it to the point area. There's a fielder there but misfielded it. By the time they completed easy single. Good ball and a very good shot there. Played to the long on area. There's a fielder out there. Will cut it off and it will be a single only. Good shot there in the air and it's gone! SSC are the champions! All out Spark 11 on 60 runs. You can see the scenes here. Joy into the dugout of SSC. They have won the finals comfortably. One-sided finals over here. Spark 11 all out on 60 runs only. Wonderful scenes out here. They are very happy. You can see the joy out there on the ground. 60 runs. What a game it is. What a game. Wonderfully played by SSC 11.
ശരി ബൈ അമ്പേർക്ക് കൊടുക്കണ്ട പിന്നെ കൊടുത്താൽ ഞാൻ ആൾക്ക്